Does Northwestern Mutual sell health insurance? Northwestern Mutual does not sell traditional health insurance plans. Instead, it focuses on life insurance, disability insurance, long-term care insurance, and financial planning services. However, some of its policies can help cover medical-related expenses. 1. Northwestern Mutual's insurance focus. Northwestern Mutual specializes in life insurance, including whole life, term life, and universal life policies. The company also offers financial planning and investment services, but does not provide standard health insurance coverage. 2. Long-term care insurance. While it does not offer traditional health insurance, Northwestern Mutual provides long-term care insurance. This type of coverage helps pay for nursing home care, assisted living, and in-home healthcare services. 3. Disability insurance for income protection. Northwestern Mutual offers disability income insurance, which provides financial support if you are unable to work due to illness or injury. This does not cover medical bills, but ensures financial stability during health-related work absences. 4th, health-related riders on life insurance. Some Northwestern Mutual life insurance policies include riders that provide benefits for chronic illness or critical illness, offering financial assistance for medical emergencies. These riders can supplement healthcare costs but are not a replacement for health insurance. 5. No traditional health insurance plans. Northwestern Mutual does not offer major medical health insurance plans like HMOs or PPOs. If you need regular health coverage, you will need to look at providers such as Blue Cross Blue Shield, Aetna, or United Healthcare. 6th, group health insurance through employer benefits. In some cases, Northwestern Mutual may offer access to health-related insurance products through employer-sponsored plans. However, these are not direct individual health insurance policies. Northwestern Mutual does not sell traditional health insurance but provides long-term care, disability insurance, and life insurance options that can help with medical-related expenses. If you need a standard health plan, you should explore other providers specializing in health coverage. Click on the link in the description below to find out if you're paying too much for insurance.